art in this memorable occasion and graduation. Now with pride, we can talk, sing, and dance, read simple words, and count as well. We are now properly oriented about the three F's. Love and ending, happy, alphabet and numbers, and most important, living with God. My teacher, thank you for offering our little life and mine. With wisdom and progress. Thank you, Mom and Papa, for the love and guidance. My dear alma mater, the little spark of joy and knowledge to inform us with us teachers of love and faith. We will offer you the gift. Thank you and respected afternoon.
Thank you, George. And for the pledge of loyalty, here's the class salutatorian for class 2007, Jinky and Narvan.
Ipinapangako namin ang aming katapatan, pag-ibig at paggalang sa aming mga magulang, guro at paaralan. Ipinapangako rin namin na ang matutunang kaalaman at magandang asal mula sa paaralan ay may bahagi sa aming kapwa at lalo tigit sa ating lipunang ginagalawan.
Thank you, Jinky. Again, surrender us with an inspiring song number. Let us give a round of applause.